What's up, guys? We're out here today. We're at a little pond in the neighborhood. We're gonna start off throwing a little stick bait. It's gonna be the June bug color and the yum dinger. We're gonna see how that goes, and later on today we might throw a little popper. We'll see what happens. We got Logan out here today, so yeah, wish us luck. Let's go. Any bites? It's funny, all the fish we've caught have been on that side, at least in the past couple of days. What the heck? I just lost a fish. Gosh freaking darn it. Look at that. Took my worm right off. That was so weird. He just started running completely this way with it. And all he was grabbing onto was a worm because he ripped it right off. But I couldn't set the hook into him because he was running my way too fast. Dang it. I don't know what it was. It felt decent though. Oh shoot. Didn't even feel the bite on him. So subtle, I thought it was just stuck on something. Alright guys, we're about out of recording space, so gotta make it happen now. See what we can do. Oh, I just got hit. First cast. First cast, he's taking it. You ready? There he is. There he is. Get him in. No, he dropped it. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. What the heck? Logan, what the heck is the freaking deal with this bass? That was the first cast. I was like, oh, we got him. Dang it. I had to get him on that one too. I don't have too much recording space left. Dang it.